Yes, sir.
So we have discussed that if a ray stands on a line, the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. है ना? This is called axiom 6.1, and 6.1 is the opposite of 6.2 is the opposite of 6.1. If the sum of adjacent angles is
Yes.
180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. So using axiom 6.1, using these intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. This is what we have to prove now. Okay, let us make one figure regarding this. If I say there are two lines AB and CD intersecting each other at point O, suppose at point O lines AB and CD are intersecting each other. So we'll say let AB and CD lines intersect each other at O. Intersect each other at O. Actually, what we have to prove, I can write here somewhere. What I have to prove? To prove that angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and similarly angle BOC is equal to angle AOC. This is what I have to prove, these two things. So instead of naming AOD BOC like this, let us name some of them with numbers. एंगल AOD को सपोज मैं 1 कह देता हूँ, एंगल BOC को सपोज मैं 3 कह देता हूँ, एंगल BOD को सपोज मैं एंगल 2 कह देता हूँ, और एंगल AOC को सपोज मैं एंगल 4 कह देता हूँ. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3 प्रूव करना है और एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4 प्रूव करना है. ठीक हो गया? क्लियर है? तो
Yes, sir.
if I have to prove the relation between 1 and 3, if I have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 3, if you notice that vertically opposite angles are those which meet both the lines together, है ना? Like you can see angle 1 touches angle this line AB also and CD also. Similarly, the opposite angle, vertically opposite angle of it touches line AB. This 3 is touching line AB and CD. Okay, so what we do on line AB, I can see one linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair, right? This angle 1 and 2, they are forming a linear pair. They are on a straight line, lines on a straight line, adjacent angles on a straight line. Angle 1 and 2, you can see they are forming a linear pair. Let us say this is equation number 1. Then on line CD, on the line CD, again we can see angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, again by linear pair. You can see the figure.
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
Now from equation number 1 and 2, what do you notice? From 1 and 2, what do you notice? From equation number 1 and equation number 2, what do we notice here? Right hand sides of both the equations are equal. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
means the left hand side should also be equal. So I can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. Because in both the sum of angle 1 and 2 is 180, the sum of 3 and 2 also is 180. That means both the sums will be equal. Equals, है ना? So you can see here angle 2 is cancelled on both sides. We get the relation between 1 and 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. This is what we needed to prove. Or we can write in this way, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. ठीक है, नंबर्स से लिखेंगे तो ज़्यादा जल्दी आपका इसको प्रूव मिल जाएगा. बजाय इसके कि एंगल AOD प्लस BOD लिखने की मैं केवल 1 2 इस तरह से कर रहा हूँ, नंबर्स से लिख रहा हूँ, तो आसानी से समझ में भी आ रहा होता है. ठीक है. इसी तरह से अगर आपको 2 और 4 के बीच में रिलेशन निकालना है, एंगल 2 और एंगल 4 के बीच में अगर आपको रिलेशन निकालना है, तो आप देखिए एंगल 4 किसके साथ लीनियर पेयर बना रहा है, 1 के साथ, और ये 1 जो है 2 के साथ भी लीनियर पेयर बना रहा है। तो आप क्या कहेंगे, फिर से equation number 1 already is there. I will make one more equation on line CD. On line CD now. Again you see on line CD there is one more linear pair on lying on this, that is angle 1 and 4, they are forming a linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. This is our equation number 3. Again by linear pair itself, linear pair sum. So from equation number 1 and 3, what do we notice? I am writing equation number 1 once again here somewhere. This was equation number 1. This was our equation number 1. This is our equation number 3. So again we can see from equation number 1 and 3, right hand sides are equal, so their left hand side should also be equal. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4, we can say. And plus angle 1 is added on both sides, so we can cancel them. So we get angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is what we need to prove here in this figure. Angle BOD and angle AOC. Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. This is what we have to prove. The proof is done. It's very easy the proof. ठीक है ना, हो जाएगा, समझ में आ गया,
Yes, sir.
कर पाएंगे आप इसको. Then regarding these two theorems and regarding these two axioms 6.1 and 6.2 and theorem 6.1, we have some questions in our textbook. Okay, so I am making the figure of the first question. Tomorrow all the students be ready for the polynomials practice test. Okay,
Yes, sir.
question number 1 of exercise 6.1.
Yes, sir.
So I'm drawing the figure. What is the figure given in the question? There are two lines in this way, and one ray is originating from the intersection of both of these lines. Lines are AB and CD. AB and CD, and this is one ray OE. What is given? It is given to us in the question angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and one more thing is given, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. It is given find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. This is what we have given. We have been given in the question. Okay. So first of all, you see angle BOD. Let us mark this here. This is 40 degree. Then it says the sum of AOC. This is AOC. Mark angle AOC here in the figure, and BOE, and this BOE. The sum of these two angles is given 70 degree. Okay, I have to find angle BOE, this angle I have to find, and reflex angle COE. ठीक है, तो what I will do, I will find out this COE first. ठीक है, COE को फाइंड कर लूंगा तो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल क्या हो जाएगा, 360 डिग्री माइनस एंगल COE. तो ये पूरा एंगल रिफ्लेक्स एंगल होगा, ये यहां से यहां तक रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE होगा ये वाला. तो ये हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, कंप्लीट एंगल 360 डिग्री में से COE को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मिल जाएगा COE का. ओके, नाउ हाउ डू वी सॉल्व, we'll say AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. So clearly we can see angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Why?
Sir, vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles. Very good.
Vertically.
वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स याद रखिए वर्टिकली एंगल्स की पहचान कैसे होती है कि वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स दोनों लाइंस को टच करते हैं अपोजिट होते हैं वर्टेक्स कॉमन वर्टेक्स पे इस कॉमन वर्टेक्स पे अपोजिट होते हैं एक दूसरे के और दोनों को टच करते हैं तो देखिए CD और AB को टच कर रहा है इसी तरह से BOD भी तो ये दोनों वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स है तो यू विल राइट वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स इन ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री तो ये भी 40 डिग्री हो गया ठीक है अब it is given to us angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So now angle AOC is 40 we have calculated by vertically opposite angles. So from here angle BOE will be how many degrees? Yes.
Sir, 30 degree. Sir, 30 degree.
बिल्कुल सही तो ये आ गया हमारे पास 30 डिग्री तो एंगल BOE फाइंड करना था वो हमने फाइंड कर दिया अब हम बात करेंगे एंगल COE फाइंड करने की एंगल COE फाइंड करने की तो अगर आप देखें sum of angles on a line this is a line AB this is one straight line AB and there are three angles on it okay can you see here in different colors hai na?
Yes, sir.
Sum of angles on a line if you
Yes,
notice
sir.
even from the figure also you can see
Yes,
यहाँ
sir.
से यहाँ तक कि कितना डिग्री का एंगल है 180 डिग्री का एंगल है ना तो there are two rays standing on line AB so the sum of angles on a line okay और इवन इफ इन दोनों एंगल्स को आप एक मान लेते हैं तो पेयर बना के कह दीजिए है ना सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑन अ लाइन सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑन अ लाइन इस तरह से अगर ये है कि सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑन अ लाइन दिस लाइन इज AB this is a line these are the rays OC and OE standing on this ray on this line AB so sum of all the angles in a line sum of all adjacent angles in a line will be 180 degree so from that we can calculate COE very easily we'll say
Yes.
on line AB sum of angles will be 180 degree तो कहेंगे एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल BOE प्लस एंगल COE
Equal to 180 degree.
180 अब AOC और BOE का सम तो हमको 70 दे रखा है पहले से तो from here what do we get angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree so that is 110 degree
110.
ये तो आया आपका एंगल COE अगर आपको इसका रिफ्लेक्स फाइंड करना है if I have to find the reflex angle of angle COE reflex angle COE so simply what you will do you will subtract it from 360 degree so how much you get
360.
250 degree angle reflex angle COE is 250 degree this is how we solve the questions